In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Reddit account. If you've decided that you no longer want to use Reddit, the process is fairly simple, but it helps to know exactly where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the steps clearly so you can complete it without confusion. First, go to Reddit in your web browser. Make sure you're on the official Reddit website and signed into the account you want to remove. If you have more than one account, take a moment to double check that you're logged into the correct one before continuing, since deleting the wrong account can be difficult to undo. Once you're on Reddit, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Reddit keeps the menu for your personal account options. If you don't immediately see it, make sure the page has fully loaded, because the profile menu usually appears after everything on the site is ready. After opening the profile menu, click Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage your account preferences, privacy options, and general profile details. Depending on the version of Reddit you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the settings option should still be available from the same general menu. When you're in settings, go to the account section and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. This is important because the option to permanently remove your account is not placed at the top. Reddit keeps it near the bottom, so you may need to scroll past several account-related settings before you see it. At the bottom of the account section, click Delete Account. This is the option that starts the account removal process. Before you confirm anything, read the on-screen message carefully. Deleting a Reddit account is typically permanent, so it's a good idea to make sure you really want to proceed. If there's any content, messages, or information you may want later, consider reviewing that before finalizing the deletion. Once you click the delete option and follow the confirmation prompts on screen, your account removal request will be completed. That's all it takes to delete a Reddit account. Just go to Reddit, open your profile from the top right corner, click Settings, head to the account section, scroll to the bottom, and select Delete Account. If you found this guide helpful, you can use the same approach anytime you need to manage account settings more confidently.